If you want to pin your apps or programs to your taskbar to access them more quickly, but you don't know how to do it, just follow the instructions of this video to learn how to pin your programs or apps to your taskbar in a quick and easy way. Look for the app or program that you want to pin to your taskbar. Right-click your program or app. Select Pin to Taskbar. Now your app or program should be pinned to your taskbar. You can also drag the icon of your app or program and position it wherever you want. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.